Good afternoon, everybody. We are outside today. We are cleaning the carpet in the girls' room, their playroom. And so Billy is giving the girls, what is that?
It's apple, strawberry, banana.
Let me see it. Yeah, that's what Janine and Shirley sent to the girls.
And the girls are I'm get away from them right quick. And Lillian's over here trying to show my belly. Yeah. Yeah.
So Billy
Look
is
there.
giving that to the girls.
Okay, let me see, honey. I don't know how fast. I don't want to squirt it down you.
And Brandon is being a sport. And he's going to pull on that cleaning machine for us. Is that good? The girls love that.
I know it. Look at Gracie. Here, Gracie, you want some? See, I just lick. Huh?
They just woke up from a nap. So they're having their afternoon snack.
They like it too.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. I'm gonna get Gracie, little. We gotta share, don't we, Gracie? Whoop! Daddy don't want it.
Uh-oh.
That's look there, Lily. Look right there. Lily, Lily. Don't show my belly, girl.
Here, let me wipe that off for you. That's right on your nipple, too.
I know it.
Poor daddy.
I'll make sure Gracie gets good little girl in my belly.
Billy, every nice shirt you have gets destroyed.
I know it.
Poor Billy.
That's okay. My little girls are worth it. Ain't that right, girl? Get you some more. You better hurry up, Lillian. She'll get it. Yeah. Oh, you got it on. Oh, yeah. Yeah. All right. She knows how to use me as a napkin too. Yeah.
That sun feels good today.
Oh, it does. I lost my sunglasses. I don't know where they went. No, I lost them myself, so I can't say anything.
Can't blame anybody else, huh?
Yeah. I'll run across them here. Oh, dang it. Look here. Look there. Look there. Look there. Look there. Dang it. Ooh, did I squirt too hard? Huh? She said, more the merrier. Yeah, you want some more? Yeah. Lily, get some. There we go. She likes it. Lillian, she don't like the sun in her face. That's wind and sun.
Yeah.
Say, I'm a inside air conditioned girl.
Yeah.
Huh?
She totally is.
Yeah.
We take her out in the elements and she tries to hide under our shirt and stuff. She loves going outside, but she likes being in the shade.
I'm glad that tree will shade her. She'll like that.
Yeah, she's going to love her outdoor
Gracie.
cage.
You want some more? Come here. Hey, you want some more? Oh, yeah.
Lillian is like a city girl.
Yeah.
She's even trying to get in your boot.
Yeah, I know it.
They're pretty good.
You a city girl? That's okay. Come on, Gracie.
Lillian's got her baby. She loves to nap with her baby.
I know it.
Gracie really doesn't care. She She's a little more independent from that stuff than Lillian is.
Yeah.
Lillian loves her baby.
Miss Moore? Hey, like Mama's already fed y'all or something.
Uh-oh, Brandon's getting started, Dad. You better get ready to hang on to the girls. Okay, girls. Brandon got your carpet all cleaned up. Looks so pretty.
Yeah, it looks so pretty.
So we have to let it stay outside to dry. And then the girls are going to get to go to their playroom and play while it's out here drying.
And Lillian
And-
trying to show my belly. When I stand up, it flattens out.
Well, we hope y'all are having a really awesome day. We're sending everybody a lot of love, and we're wishing everyone to stay very safe. And we hope y'all enjoyed the video, and we will catch y'all next time. Gracie, tell everybody bye-bye. Say bye. Lots of love. Lillian.
Say bye.
Ooh. I conked her on the head.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Have a great day. Bye.